Welcome to the Hitachi Workshop, year 2020-25 today. I had the three aims for this particular event for this coming 2 days. One, to foster one Hitachi spirit among us. Two, to instill the Hitachi brand value, harmony, sincerity, pioneering spirit through coming 2 days. Three, to enable to learn, experience, and witness the holistic Hitachi Group identity.
These three values is really important to carry out this 2 days workshop successfully, especially the domino. Each members have to interact with the other members so that can connect the full domino together so that the whole things can go smoothly without any disruption.
Throughout 2 days of joining this workshop, I learned a lot about Hitachi core values.
I hope we get the chance to go to this activity more and then experience more and then know other companies, people as well.
Working with that team and doing those team activities, it really brought out the meaning why we are one Hitachi.
All the different cultures, even though we've got a lot of different countries represented here, we're all thinking about the same thing. It's easy for us to align. People are people at the end of the day. I quite enjoyed the team building activities. I thought they were a lot of fun, brought the people together. There's a Maori proverb that says, what is the most important thing in the world? It is he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It is people, it is people, it is people.
So by participating, I think we is able to share our story, our success to the group and also to inspire the whole Hitachi members to be in line with Hitachi value.
Inspiring friendship and one Hitachi family.